Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. How are you all? You all know that we are suffering a pandemic situation, so students stay home, save your life, carry on and focus on your studies. Today I will teach you poem number 6, Speak Gently. नरमी से बात करें. Speak Gently, written by an anonymous poet. Anonymous means we do not know the exact name of the writer. Reference: the writer of this poem is anonymous, but the tone of the poetry represents the poem is a part of Moorish poetry. What is Moorish? It is a type of poetry from a specific country, or you can say that something that is Moorish belongs to or is characteristics of Muslim civilization in North Africa and Spain between the 8th and 15th century AD. So student, let's start reading. Speak gently, it is better for. नरमी से बात कीजिए, ये बहुत बेहतर है. To rule by love than fear. खौफ के बजाय मोहब्बत से हुकूमत की जाए. Speak gently, let no harsh word mar. नरमी से बात कीजिए, गुस्से के अल्फाज से ज़ाया मत कीजिए. The good we may do here. इस नेकी को जो हम यहाँ कर सकते हैं. Speak gently to the little child. छोटे बच्चे से नरमी से गुफ्तगू कीजिए. It's love we sure to gain. इसकी मोहब्बत यकीनन हासिल हो जाएगी. Teach it in accents soft and mild. इसको मोहब्बत और शफीकाना लहजे में समझाइए. It may not long remain. ये बचपन ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं रह सकता. Speak gently to the aged one. ज़ईफ़ों से नरमी से बात कीजिए. Grieve not the careworn heart. इनके परेशान दिल को दुख ना दीजिए. Whose sands of life are nearly run. जिनकी ज़िंदगी के दिन करीब करीब ख़त्म हो चुके हैं. Let such in peace depart. उन्हें सुकून से इस दुनिया से रुखसत होने दें. Speak gently. It is a little thing. नरमी से बात कीजिए, ये छोटी सी बात है. Dropped in a heart's deep well. जो दिल के गहरे कुएं में गिरती है. The good, the joy that it may bring. नेकी और खुशी जो हम इससे हासिल करते हैं. Eternity shall tell. आखिरत की ज़िंदगी में ही पता चलेगा. Here we will discuss some difficult words of this poem. Gently, with lightness of action or effect softly. Fear, be afraid of someone or something as likely to be dangerous, painful, harmful. Rule, control of or dominion over an area or people. Harsh, having an undesirably strong effect. Mar, diminish or destroy the value or quality of. Mild, of a feeling, not intense or extreme. Aged, having lived or existed for a long time, very old. Grief, feel intense sorrow about. Careworn, tired and unhappy because of worry. Eternity, a state to which time has no application, timeless. Accent, way of talking. Central idea of this poem: to speaking gently is a great virtue. Though it is a little thing, it has much value. We will be rewarded highly for speaking gently in the life hereafter. Summary: we should speak gently to all the people. If we speak gently to the children, they will also learn to speak gently. If we speak gently to old people, they will be happy. We don't know how good it is to speak gently. God also likes those people who speak gently. We will be rewarded highly for speaking gently. To speak gently is a great virtue. So students, it's all about today. Your home task is learn and write all question answers of this poem in your practice register. Till then, Allah Hafiz.